Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Jolly Jammer from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the upper eyelid first. So I'm going to draw in, so here's the middle of the eye. You can make two little points on the corners. Slant up, and then just come across. Same thing on the other side, so we're going to slant this way, and then we just curve straight across. And then once we have that, we're going to come back down. So we're going to slant down, and then come across to close it. So just come across, and then close it off with a slant. So it's almost like just like a leaf shape. Alright, and then for the eyeballs inside, nice and big. One big curve coming down, almost touching the bottom. And then on the inside, I'm going to add a small circle for the highlight. And then I'll shade around it. Alright, so those are the eyes, and then now for the eyebrow. So just come up right here, little angle, come back down toward the outside. So straight up. Little check mark, and then on the inside here I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker, and then just close that off. So just go up, come around, and just close that out. Alright, and then from there we're gonna draw in the rest of the face first. So we're gonna come down for her nose. So this one's easy, just come down straight in the middle, just a little angle. And then for her lip, I'm going to give her a little bit smile. So I'm just going to curve it up just a little bit. And then for the lower lip, just draw one little line. Okay, and then we just leave it like that. And then now we can draw in the rest of the face. So right here, this is going to be part of her hair. It's going to be covering some of her face. So I'm just going to come to the side here. Just a slight curve all the way down to the mouth area. So it's very tight to the eyes. And then now we just finish up the face first. So just curve in to the center, close it off nice and sharp. Alright, so now we're going to finish up the hair. So first we're going to draw in just one curve, close off the top first. So that's going to be the bottom of the Santa's hat. And then the side here will go out. Here's her hair. Just kind of bracket in toward the face. And then just kind of curve it out. Just give it a little bit of a flow there. And then now whatever space you have here, I'm going to start right here. Just curve it out. Make it nice and sharp in the corners, and just close everything off. And we can add in two more strands on the back. Okay, so just give it some flow. And then she's got one little strand here. So right above this eyebrow, just gonna draw one little line across. Alright, so now to finish up the top here, I'm gonna start right here on the side. Just bracket up and then close off the top with one big curve. And then now for the top here, I'm gonna start right here. Just draw two little curves going up. And then I'm going to start on this side. Continue that over this line. And I'll just curve it all the way out. Slant down. And then from this point, just one big circle. And then just draw a little line here to close that off. Okay, so it's very easy to draw Santa's hat. So now let's come down to the body. So here's her neck. Nice and skinny right there. And then I'm going to close it off with a slight curve. And then for her shoulders, just come out. Just come down right here. Just give a little bit of space. Come down. That's going to be your armpit. Now we'll taper in all the way down to the waist. and then we'll come back out. So this is going to be part of her hip, and there's a pattern right here, so we'll just little pattern on her sweater. So we're just going to draw one line across, close that off first, and we can draw another line. So this part's going to be green. Alright, and then before drawing the arms, let's add a little bit more detail inside here. Just another curve right here for the collar. And then from this point, just gonna curve up into the collar. And then one more line here to start here again, just kind of curve up. So this little stripe here is gonna be white. Okay, so now we can draw in the arm. So again, here's your armpit on both sides. Shoulder coming down. Just continue down. So this is gonna be your elbow. Flare out, and we can close that off first. Because she got her sleeves rolled up. So now we're gonna come down, and we're gonna close it off early because she's got those really long gloves. Alright, and then from there, extend that line and then come back in. So this is going to be your wrist. So now we can draw in her hand. So for her hand right here, just one little curve for the thumb. Draw one little line. There's the back of the hand. And then this is going to be the start of the finger. So I'm just going to curve it. Just going to close it off a little bit sharper on the end. And then we'll draw one little bump here for the other fingers on the back. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. Okay, shoulder, and just kind of continue down. Here's the elbow. Flare out, and then just close it off. So just use the other side for reference. Come down again, close it off with a horizontal line. Again, for the glove, extend it, come down to your wrist and close it off. And then now for her hand, so same thing here, one little hook for the thumb, slant, back of her hand, and then for her finger, just curve it, close it off. Same thing inside, just one little bump. Alright, so that is the upper body, and for her outfit right here on the top, she's got a lot of little patterns. I'll probably draw that in later when I'm coloring, but there is a llama in the center, so we can draw that first. So I'm just going to draw right in the center right here. It's one little circle and then dot inside. I know this is going to be kind of small, so right in the center here, just come up and draw a little hook. Okay, so that's gonna be the llama's ear. So right on the top here, just continue, just kind of curve it all the way around. On the back side right here, just come down. And then right here on this side, just come down and just close it. And then one more little bump here for the llama, the ear. And then we can add two lines here. So one, and I guess this one will just continue out. Alright, so that's the llama. I know it's really crudely drawn, but it's kind of small. Alright, so now let's draw on her legs. So in the center here, come down, make a little mark. And let's start on the bottom first. So I'm just going to curve. Just curve out. And then now on the outside, curve in here. Okay, and then for her knee, just kind of come down a little bit straighter, kind of taper in a little bit. And then for her lower leg, we'll start up here. Just kind of flare out, just come down slightly and then close it off because she's got those really tall boots. Okay, so same thing here. Flare out, come down, just use the other side for reference and then close it off with a horizontal line. And then for a boot, we'll extend it, a little bit wider, and then now we'll pinch it all the way down to our ankles and then just kind of close it off with a slight curve. Okay, and then the bottom, this one's easy, just a dome shape. Just come out a little bit more on this side, close it off, and let's just add one little line. Same thing here, just dome shape. Let's come out a little bit more on this side. And for the details in here, I'm just gonna add 2 lines. Okay, and then for those little patterns in there, I'm just gonna put that in when I'm coloring. Alright, so that is it for this Jolly Jammer. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.